Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Steno. Today I am going to dictate you a wonderful dictation. So get ready students, start. Through a public interest litigation instituted by two doctors, Dr. Sadanand Burma and his another co-professional 14 years ago regarding deaths of large number of children due to rampant malnutrition in Melghat area of Vidarbha was highlighted and much to regret of all concerned. Ground realities indicate that even today tragedy is continuing more or less on the same scale and that has necessitated an order passed by the Bombay High Court Division Bench consisting of the Chief Justice Deepankar Datta and Justice G.S. Kulkarni on August 23, 2021. Stop para. The HC has noted the alleged pathetic conditions in which the tribal population is made to survive without the requisite medical and healthcare facilities and without proper nutrition and expressed wish to monitor the situation place the principal secretary Department of Health and Family Welfare on guard that recurrence of child death due to malnutrition in the near future would not be lightly dealt with. It is therefore desirable that all possible steps are taken to ensure that no death of any tribal child in the area in question due to malnutrition occurs prior to next date of hearing. The HC has warned that should any such incident is reported, the principal secretary could be held personally responsible. It would also be advisable if the health department makes an immediate plan of deputing specialist doctors to the tribal areas in question so that the tribal population is not deprived of the basic medical and healthcare facilities. Also, qualified dietitians may be deputed for recommending appropriate diet for such tribal children who are suffering from malnutrition. All other departments of the government shall coordinate with each other to give effect to this order by providing food oblique meals as per the diet recommended by the dietitians. Stop para. The HC has asked the state to file affidavit on the next date within bracket 2 weeks from the date of this order bracket close and indicate the measures that have been taken in compliance with this order as well as deal with the contents of the affidavit to be filed by the respondent 7 within bracket BS Sane in person bracket close. Such affidavit should also indicate the status of the core committee and the functions undertaken by it since the time it was constituted by the order of July 9, 2013. The SC has also stated that the central government, if so advised, may file an affidavit giving details of funds released to the state for tribal development and the extent of its utilization. Stop para. The petitioner doctors have through this PIL invited the court's attention to the death of children in the age group of 0 to 6 years in the tribal dominated areas of Chikaldhara, Dharni, Taluka of Amravati district owing to malnutrition and trade for ameliorative steps to be taken to prevent such unfortunate death decades after the nation attained independence. Stop para. Senior advocate J.T. Gilda, who is placing before the HC the facts of this continuing tragedy. Since 1993, long period of 28 years, intimated to the court that despite lapse of 14 years since the institution of this PIL, there has not been much headway in securing the physical and mental growth of tribal children of the aforesaid area. Between April and July 2021, more than 70 children in the age group of 0 to 6 years have passed away either due to malnutrition and oblique or lack of medical facilities. Stop para. The court has been also informed that in the absence of requisite medical and healthcare facilities, together with appropriate medical personnel, there is an imminent need of posting of gynecologists, pediatricians, and other specialist doctors for preserving and protecting the younger generation of the tribal population. It was further contended that since the tribal villages are at a far away distance from the nearest district hospitals, there is an imperative need to set up hospitals, public health centers with appropriate facilities. स्टॉप फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.